What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another cocktail. As I said last time, today's cocktail is a Barbados Rum Punch. So let's get straight into it. So to make a Barbados Rum Punch, guys, get your cocktail shaker and put in some ice. To make a Barbados Rum Punch, it won't be right unless I'm using a Barbados rum. I'm using Gay Silver Rum. So the first ingredient to shaker, guys, is 60ml or 2 ounces of the Gay Silver Rum. The next ingredient to the shaker, guys, is 30ml or 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Next ingredient to the tin, guys, is 30ml or 1 ounce of rich simple syrup, which is a 2-to-1 ratio of sugar to water. What's that? I'm cheating a little bit here. The last ingredient to the shaker, guys, is 1 dash of Angostura. Now put your lid on and give it a nice hard shake for 8 to 10 seconds to get it nice and chilled. So get your highball glass and fill it with ice. Now straight into your highball glass filled with ice. Right, so we'll get a bar and we'll push the ice down a bit. That's better. So the final thing to do now, guys, is garnish it with a lime wheel. Beautiful. And now add a pinch of nutmeg. There we go, guys, one Barbados Rum Punch. I can't wait to taste it. There we go, one Barbados Rum Punch. How does it taste? That's absolutely refreshing. That is beautiful. Really, really refreshing. Because the lime juice makes it. Not normally one for tangy, but that is absolutely refreshing. It's not too, because you don't feel like you're getting heartburn from it like that, like you'd sometimes do with the citric acid. But that is absolutely beautiful. It's nice and refreshing. I think the syrup, the simple syrup with it, sweetens it. Because it's a very sweet drink, and that's absolutely beautiful. Really, really nice. Because everything about it, the presentation, the drink, it's absolutely a quality Caribbean cocktail. That's absolutely beautiful. I really, really recommend that. Because the Barbados Rum Punch, I really recommend the Barbados Rum Punch. That's absolutely beautiful. Because I'd certainly drink that. Because if I was in Barbados, I'd certainly give that a 9 out of 10. That's absolutely beautiful. I can't get enough of that. Because it's really, really, really sweet. It appeals to me. I like the sweet cocktails, I do. Can't get enough of that. That's absolutely beautiful. I really recommend this. So, if you've ever had this, do let me know. Like I said, I'm still on the hunt for the national drink of Barbados. What is it? As I really do want to make it. Do let me know in the comments below. I'm still looking for the Barbados national drink. Do let me know. But I've been MixedSid. This has been the Barbados Rum Punch. Have I made it right? What do you guys think of this? How do you make your Barbados Rum Punch? But don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid for more cocktails like this. So it really does help the channel grow. As I can't say it enough. As I can't thank you enough for your support anyway. As we're now on 1.25k subscribers. Who would have thought that? Because we're really growing and I really do appreciate your support. It's been absolutely fantastic. But that, guys, has been the Barbados Rum Punch. And I will see you guys for my next cocktail video. Cheers. Really nice.